If you're looking for the best data science courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share the top 3 courses based on popularity, ratings, industry recognition, and career value. Before we begin, check the link in the description if you're thinking about learning on Coursera. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount, and it's the best value if you plan to take multiple courses. At number 3 is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. It's designed for beginners and is one of Coursera's most popular programs. You'll learn SQL, R, spreadsheets, data visualization, and real business analysis. It's a great first step into data careers. At number 2 is the Applied Data Science with Python Specialization from the University of Michigan. This program is perfect if you already know some Python. You'll learn data analysis, visualization, machine learning, and work on practical projects. The university's reputation also adds credibility to your certificate. My number 1 pick is the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. It covers Python, SQL, data visualization, machine learning, dashboards, and portfolio projects. It's beginner-friendly, highly rated, and recognized by employers. That's why it's one of the best choices for starting a data science career. Here's why Coursera Plus is worth considering. Buying these programs one by one can cost much more over time. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and top universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. That brings the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're planning to complete several courses this year, it's a much better deal than paying for them individually. You can check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If you enjoyed this